What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to connect Slack with ClickUp for auto updates. So what we need to do right here is to go to the top left corner and click on the name of our workspace, and we want to look for apps. We're going to click on apps, and then here under featured you can see Slack. Pretty easy, so we're just going to click on Slack, but if for some reason you can't find Slack, you can go over to this area here and search for Slack. So click on Slack. And then of course you want to see the features. You have sync ClickUp activity to channels, ClickUp notifications, and this is what we're looking for. So to do that, go ahead and click and connect. And of course right here you need to put in your workspace name, .slack.com, and then click and continue. This is basically the authorization stage where you need to verify that it's you and you have authority to do this. And once you're done with it, you're just going to go back. You'll be able to click on these features such as syncing ClickUp activity to channels, and you can see right here automatically post to Slack when things change in ClickUp, receive ClickUp notifications in Slack. So once your connection is successfully done, you can click on ClickUp notifications and choose your preference on being notified, and you'll be able to get auto updates here on ClickUp from Slack.